Altec Lansing HydraJolt 2.0 Everything-Proof Wireless Speaker Review. When choosing a portable waterproof speaker, consider battery life, IP67 rating, sound quality, and size. I tested the Altec Lansing HydraJolt 2.0 and loved its durability, sound, and floating design, perfect for the outdoors. The Altec Lansing HydraJolt 2.0 Everything-Proof Wireless Speaker offers exceptional sound and durability, ideal for adventurers, party enthusiasts, and music lovers in any outdoor setting. The HydraJolt 2.0 is a rugged Bluetooth speaker built for adventure, featuring an IP67 waterproof rating, floatability, and a USB-A charger to keep devices powered. With various mounting options, you can easily attach it to bikes, backpacks, and more. PartySync allows you to link 100+ speakers for a larger-than-life audio experience, while HyperEdge LED light modes add customizable lighting effects. Quick USB-C charging recharges the speaker in 3 hours, and the 100 feet Bluetooth range ensures seamless streaming from your device. Setting up the Altec Lansing HydraJolt 2.0 is easy. Unbox the speaker, check for accessories like the mount, carabiner, and cable. Power it on. Pair via Bluetooth by selecting HydraJolt 2.0. Use mounting options: clip, magnet, or secure mount. Charge with USB-C in 3 hours and charge phones via USB-A. Connect over 100 speakers with PartySync. Adjust LED modes for immersive sound. The Altec Lansing HydraJolt 2.0, priced at $59.99, is available at major retailers like Amazon and Walmart. With its rugged build, waterproofing, long battery life, and multi-speaker sync, the HydraJolt 2.0 offers great value. Comparable options, like the Tribit Stormbox Micro 2, often cost more. It blends style and function, offering 3 color options: black gray, black royal blue, and black red.
Go to GearBrain for more information.